Okay, it has project management, then it comes AI powered hiring, then smart notes, automated invoicing, and Prismate streamline, right? So you can select different themes. We've already covered AI for presentation, diagrams, and flowcharts. But what if we want to create scroll-worthy infographics or visual summary, and that too without having to design anything manually? Welcome to day 175 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are exploring Piktochart AI, an AI tool that converts your prompts, summaries, or even full documents into visuals like infographics, posters, or even reports. Let's jump in and see how it all works. So to begin, head over to piktochart.com or piktochart.com, whatever you may want to call it as. Click on sign up and let's continue with Google. Now our Google account might be bombarded with all the emails from all of these platforms. I should have thought about it before. Anyways, so it'll ask whether we want to use it for personal use, work, education, non-profit. Let's go with personal use for now. Click on continue. So it's just taking some moment to set our account. Now we have create with AI or choose a template. Close this, right? So we can go with create with AI. So as we can also see, we have infographics, we have posters, presentations, diagrams, reports, flyers, and so much more, right? So we will go with create with AI. So it will take us to the editor. So we have list, newsletter, comparison, timeline, charts, and so on and so forth within infographics. Now we have to give the topic here and some description here. So let me make this as Prismate and let me add the description here. That is, Prismate is an all-in-one SaaS platform designed for modern teams. It offers features like project management, AI-powered hiring, smart meeting notes, and automated invoicing, all under one dashboard. Ideal for startups and remote teams looking to streamline operations and boost productivity, right? Once you have done this, click on generate infographics. Now you can closely observe that it says that it will take 1 token. So click on this. I'll close this for now, right? So it is generating the infographics that we need. Again, let me close this. Okay. So you can see Prismate all-in-one, and it says Prismate is a powerful SaaS platform designed to simplify team management and boost productivity, offering features like project man -- So we can edit this. Okay, it has project management, then it comes AI powered hiring, then smart notes, automated invoicing, and Prismate streamline, right? So you can select different themes that you want. We have a lot of things here. Okay, and whatever you select, the content gets adjusted automatically, right? You can see it here. And not just that, right? You can also edit this. So you can click on save and edit infographics. Now you've got all of this ready. All you have to do is change the text if you want to, right? Now you can add shapes from here, you can add icons from here, you can add text from here, you can add design components, choose colors, charts, maps. If you have anything to upload, you can upload it from here, and so much more. And once you feel that everything is good enough, just click on download. It'll allow you to download in PNG, PDF, PowerPoint. PDF and PowerPoint is available only if you are a business user, otherwise just PNG, right? Again, normal quality, medium quality, or high quality. Download as pages if you want it to be downloaded as separate pages, right? But in the free plan, you just get 2 downloads. So let me click on this. So we've got this particular download available and ready. So I can see the images that we just generated. This is page 1. Let me zoom in more. And then we have page 2 and so on and so forth. Isn't this simple? In less than 5 minutes, we were able to create visuals. Now you might wonder, content is not matching what we want. You can change the content easily, right? You can use ChatGPT to get the content, copy paste that into this one. Did you know people are 30 times more likely to read visual content than plain text? That's why tools like Piktochart AI are super useful. You can use them to create stunning visuals than spending hours on creating lengthy text that nobody cares to read. So do give it a try and share it with friends who are looking to create stunning visuals for their product or services. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.